Hi, folks. My name is Jim Jones, in case you don't know me. I'm a fifth generation Ovidian and temporarily living up here in DeBary, though, for now. Be moving back to Oviedo again in the future. Hope it's a while off because I've already picked out my spot and it's right across from Oviedo High School, if you know what I mean. Anyway, it's a beautiful spring morning here and sitting out here on the patio doing a little reminiscing, thinking about the Boston boys and when I first met them. And I thought I would relay that story onto you because I find it very interesting. About 1955 or so, give or take a year, and I was maybe 11, 12 years old, some of us boys decided we wanted to go play some baseball. So we went up to the Oviedo High School baseball field, the site that's now Lawton Elementary School. But we quickly found out you can't have a decent baseball game with only 5 or 6 boys. By the time you get somebody to shag balls and somebody to pitch, catch, and bat, you don't have anybody left. We were about ready to give up and go home when we looked up, and lo and behold, who was coming across the field but the Boston boys, Chick Lump and Bo Peep. They asked if they could join in. We said, well, you don't have a glove. They said it doesn't matter, and it didn't. They could shag balls as good as anybody. Anyway, yes, they joined in. We had the best time that afternoon playing ball, played late, and that was day one of a more than 60-year friendship with the Boston boys. Bo Peep went off to join the Air Force. I didn't get to know him as well as Lump and Chick, but Lump and Chick were the best of friends. They were always there for you, and frequently I took advantage of that. When I had a piano to move or something, they were always there, big, strong guys. And anyway, we had the best time, and we continued that friendship on for many years. Lump, please tell Chick hello, and we're going to replay that game again. Bye.